Welcome everybody. After having left Hoth yesterday, moved on to Dagobah today. Got Luke and Yoda. He came with a cane, like a little the orange snake, and he had a robe, a cloth-ish robe thing. So I've lost all that other equipment for him. Of course, Luke came with I'm pretty sure he had a blaster and a lightsaber. Plenty of wear and tear on him, as you can see. I used him pretty extensively during that 1980-81 era. Need some little cleaning on him. Looks like I got some smush. Alright, get that on. Give him a good wipe down. But yeah, that's there we go. Yeah, I don't think looks pretty good. Besides that, no, maybe a little bit more right there. Just discoloration there, I guess. Torso, but that was, I think this is the first one that came with the separate lightsaber, the stick that you sort of wedge in. It wasn't really. I think we always put it in the left hand because it would sort of slide in right there. And he would hold it. Give Yoda a wipe down too while I'm going. It looks like a little bit. That's there. But yeah, there's not a lot to say about them. I actually do give you. If you've watched this far, I'll give you a preview of tomorrow. The Dagobah, what's left of my Dagobah playset will be coming out tomorrow. It's pretty ragged, and there's a lot of stuff missing, but I do have it, and I'm going to get that out tomorrow. So it'll be a little bit wider shot and show you all the pieces that I don't have anymore. But let me go in a little bit tighter on them. Last shot. But there they are. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Got plenty more to go, and it's going to keep on going for a while yet. See you next time.